So, this week's episode was amazingly done. It was so freaking funny. So, before I start my review, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and like the video. Now, in this week's episode, it seemed like Sakuya Asuno was complaining all the time. So it seemed like the reason why she was complaining because the teacher moved Asuno into her house, and it seemed like the teacher was complimenting Asuno that he cleaned the place good, and Sakuya was saying that Sakuya was complaining about that. Now it seemed like Sakuya's cousin come to visit Sasori. Seriously, when I say Sasori, it kind of remind me about Sasori from Naruto. So her cousin come visit. So because of that now, her cousin was saying to Sakuya that why didn't she destroy the two-tailed cat? Because it seems like they're competing. So the cousin can use summoning and Sakuya can use arrow. That's totally different. So like the also that they come from a different type of way that they exterminate specters. So because of that now, it seems like they was competing for Asuno. So Sakuya was telling Sasori that she's not gonna get Asuno. So Asuno was saying she's gonna take a bath. No. So when they come there, Sasori come there and was giving Asuno a sponge bath. Let's call it a breast rub. So she was using her breast to wash him, just to lure him to come back with her. Now it seems like Asuno faint. Saying she kidnapped him. Sasori kidnapped him, and when they was bringing her into her house now, it seemed like they're moving to a dimension, and that dimension come like a freaking scary movie. So because they was in the dimension now, they was fighting cars. So when they was fighting cars though, see like when Sasori and Asuno was about to kiss, Sakuya come there and save Asuno. So now, it seems like anytime Asuno kiss one of them, they're gonna get the spiritual power is gonna get stronger. This week's episode was so amazingly done and so funny that I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Tell me what you guys thought about it in the comment box. So if you feel like it, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. This week's episode was so funny that I'm gonna watch it over again.